He's in there. You got him? Oh, we got another one, baby. Yes. You got one?
Yes, I walked in because I was going to catch it. It was fighting like a 2-pound fish. That was a 3-pound bass. That was a 3-pound bass.
All right, folks, we're out here. It is late April, out with big boy Landon Carter, and we're aiming to catch him today. So we're out here. It's about 4 p.m. at a local lake. If you watch our videos in the past, you know that this lake has a lot of pickerel. So we're aiming to catch whatever's gonna bite. So that's the goal. We're gonna start off in a spot where Landon wants to start that we think they might be. So stay tuned. We're gonna head to there. Wish us luck. All right, Landon just had one on and lost one, so we're gonna keep at it. Let's do it.
But then they slid the pole, and that was yeah. I told you they're down here.
Yeah, let's drop an anchor here. We're just gonna get blown. Oh, you got one! Oh, Landon's got one. Is he on still? Oh!
Smashed that.
Yeah.
He was sitting there because I was stuck on.
Oh my God! And when you pulled it out, that's when you hit it, right?
Yeah, he just hit the.
Look at that, guys.
I had no idea that he was on. Like,
Yeah, when you pulled it out, he just whacked it. Oh! You got him. You got him. Oh! Oh. Right. Oh! Got it. Oh! Whacked it right by the bank. I mean, right by the bank. He's right by this grass over here. Cast over there. Oh, another one whacked it. He's got it. Got him. First one in the boat, baby. Pickerel are lively over here. There we go, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And the release. Yes. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, he whacked it. He whacked it. Oh, he's on. He's on. Man, this is a good one. Bass, baby. Yes. Ha ha.
A pound?
Pound and a half or so. Yes, sir. Look at that bad boy. All right, Landon, you got to hold that one and take a picture. All right, second one of the day on the fluke. They just love it here. That bait is perfect. Nice. See how you can see how dark the bass is. That means it's in that real heavy cover. But he smoked it. Let's let him go. Huh? We don't have to. We can if we want, but it's more for the pickerel, you know. Yes, sir, baby. Put that there. Oh, you got him.
Oh!
He's in there. You got him?
Yeah, I got him. Oh my God!
Where's the
Oh
net?
my God! Oh!
You sure you got him still?
Wait.
Ah.
That was huge. Oh my God! That was huge.
All right, let me see.
He smashed that.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
had him.
God.
You had something there. Fit it. He's definitely stuck now.
Oh my God! That was like a 3-pound bass.
Oh. Maybe. Yeah.
That was a 3-pound bass.
Oh, damn. Took the friggin' hook.
That was a
Broke the line?
3-pound bass.
Wow. I'm surprised. It must have been a pickerel because it just cut the friggin' line. Oh, I got one. I didn't even know I had one. I just cast it out. He's on. It's a bass landing. I was just adjusting the drag.
Oh my god. Get him in. Yeah, I told you.
It's a good one, Landon. It's a good one.
Get him in.
Yes!
Oh.
Look at that bad boy. Show the folks at home, baby. Yes, sir. Take a picture of that. Yes, sir, baby. Second bass in the boat. I just cast it out there. It was just sinking, and he was on, baby. In the release. Thank you, sir. Yes! Not gonna spit it. Until he feels a weight of you, then he will, but... Oh! Got him. Pickerel. I think your line broke before because you had a lot of these guys hitting and they'll mess up the line.
I was off that.
Thank you, sir. Oh, you got one? You got one. You got one?
Definitely.
Yes, baby. Never give up, baby. Man, it's a big
Yes.
freaking bass. That's it. Don't stop reeling. Stop reeling. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes.
Hey, he was fighting like hard.
Landon's first one of the day, baby. In the boat. Yes, sir. Hold that bad boy. Look at that. Yes, I told you, Landon. Don't give up, baby. Well, let me get it on camera. Say thank you, sir. Yes. See? What'd I tell you? Don't give up, baby. Tell the folks at home, how'd that fish bite?
So I just cast it, and like I did not think that I was gonna catch it. So first I cast it, and then I let it sink. I started reeling, and it was like maybe like it was like 15 feet away from the boat, and it just smashed it, and it was fighting like a 2-pound fish.
Yeah.
Like great, it would even pull down to the deep.
Yeah, the fish here fight hard, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Got it.
Oh, we got another one, baby. Yes! Landon with another one. All right, show the folks at home. Landon's second one in the boat, pickerel. He smoked there, right?
Yeah. So
We'll tell him
I'll
after. Let's just do this, take his picture, and then let him go.
So skinny.
Yeah, the torpedoes in here. All right, so let him go, then we'll tell him what happened. There he goes. Thank you, sir. All right, so tell the folks what happened.
What happened was I cast it, and I started getting little bites. I thought it was a small one. Well, it kind of was, but so he started tapping on it, and I just started reeling, and I just wait because I knew that was a fish. So because he wouldn't bite, so I just waited until he grabbed it, and then he grabbed it. I hooked him and then reeled it in, reeled it in, and I flipped him into the boat.
Yes, sir. There's a bite. Got him. Yes, baby. He took off with it. Thank you, sir. Another one in the boat, baby. Another. Good evening, Donnie D's Tile. Donnie speaking. Yes. Oh, we're in the boat right in front of the ramp. Let me pull up to the shore. There you are. All right. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna push you up to the shore and you're gonna give him the money, all right? Put that in your pocket. All right, help out. He's got it. Yes, baby. How many times did this fish spit it, Landon? He came for it like 3 times. Little guy, that's why he couldn't get him. All right, let him go. Yes, sir, baby. All right.